Hey baby.
Hi.
Wow, go on.
Good.
Yes, sir.
It's been a long time, guys.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the Isla family. If you're still here with us,
Yeah.
we are just chilling, you know, living busy day life.
Yeah, it's been a while since we really vlog and do any kind of video. Oh, tonight with us, none of us feel like cooking. Oh my gosh, let me brighten up that. Yeah, so none of us feel like cooking, so I go out for dinner.
Going out for din-dins.
Yeah.
As the Aussie slang, ding-ding.
Yeah, it's a Friday night.
Yep.
And we are go out tonight. Just simple dinner, you know?
Simple dinner, guys.
Yeah, man.
How is the island tribe doing?
How is everybody?
Everybody.
Yeah, man. But we there still. We just haven't been consistent with putting out videos lately. So you can call it so we fall off.
Yeah.
You know what I
Exactly,
mean?
we
So
fall off.
give this video a thumbs up if
Thumbs
bring
up.
us up back, you know what I mean?
Bring us back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. We're there, guys.
We have been just working busy lifestyle, guys, so
Yeah.
it's not that we have abandoned you, but yeah.
And look who is here. The star of the show.
Yeah, I won.
Come.
I won.
Yeah.
Yes.
Say hi to the island tribe.
I was like,
You know, Island has got his cot back up. We got it back up because he
Yeah.
was co-sharing with me and Babes. But
Yeah.
now he's learning to sleep in his own bed.
Yeah.
no, it's in my bed.
Why you want to sleep with Mummy?
And see, Mom, Dad, Mom.
Mum and Dad? Sometimes.
Yeah.
But see how the bed is connected to our bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, so that's the thing, like, so that Island can still crawl over if he wanted to.
Yeah, right beside us.
Yeah, and I got a new piercing, guys. This is my new piercing.
Babe got it done today.
It's a bit sore right now, but yeah, it's called an industrial piercing.
Yeah,
I just wanted to get it done.
looks good.
So, yeah.
Something new, I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
ooh. What you have to say?
Fido.
Huh? What you have to say?
Come back.
Pull out, put car, put, yo, pull out, put car, put, yo, put a chicken, he did put car, put, yo, put a chicken, put a chicken, pull out. So here we are, guys.
You smell nice.
You too. We out night, yeah?
Island, look, Dada.
Hi, Bubba.
Come back.
You gonna go eat now?
I'm gonna go eat. Yum. We're
Yeah.
hungry.
So we dress pretty casual
Yeah.
in our warm clothes.
Because it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah.
This is the town of Casino, and this is where we're going. This is called RSM. Yeah, so it's a pub and a slash restaurant.
Yeah. Yeah. Bistro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Babe's gone for one of the eye cheer for Island. It's been a while since he's been in one of those. You want it? Oh, it's that one. That's what it looks.
Alright, you guys see it below in here. You see it? Wow.
I've never seen that one before.
Yeah, it's different. That one's different.
Nice.
Robin.
So we're gonna look on the menu, guys, and see what we
Let's see what
want.
we're gonna get. Yum yum. Come on, Bobby.
So Island received his food already. They are shelled on that.
Attention staff.
Nice,
head
Bubba.
to the bus, please.
Nice, darling.
Island.
Bus. You want me to bus?
Round and round.
I'm telling that they get like a colouring pencil.
Yeah, so Island have his coloring. Normally you go like every restaurant is kind of like that.
Yeah.
Lots of places sets up like that where you bring kids.
Yeah.
Even at Macca's you get, yeah, they get like coloring books just to keep them quiet.
Colour in.
Color.
Colour island. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Mommy broke it. What happened, Bobo?
Because mommy's not right-handed.
What's wrong? Eat up. Eat your food.
Okay. Island.
What's wrong now? Yeah, it still can use.
You can still use it.
Can use it same way. Look. Come on, color.
Island. Eating apple.
Color. Show me your color. Show me your color. Show Dada. Show Dada what your color.
Show your colours. What colour is this?
Purple.
Good boy. What colour is this?
Green. Good job.
What colour is this?
Yellow.
What?
Good job.
What colour is this?
Red.
Nice. So this is us, guys. That's me right there with our pork spare ribs.
This is me.
What you have?
Steak, prawns, which is shrimp,
Yeah.
and veggies and mash.
Nice. Time to eat up.
What time now? It's recording. Babe, you still got stuff on your mouth down here. Look at the aftermath, guys.
Yeah, man.
He
Fully
likes his chips though.
devour everything, yeah?
Yeah, we did. I did too.
Everybody belly full, everybody are going.
Alan.
Tired.
Yeah, you're tired now. All right, time to go now. Let's go.
Was worth it.
It was. It was good.
We there.
We there.
Come, Island. Stop right here.
Oh my god, it's cold, eh? I feel like staying. We should have stayed in there.
Oh.
Island, listen on me. Stop.
Yeah, it's cold outside for real.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
It was good though. Dinner was great.
Yeah, it's nice. So it,
Probably could have done with a bit more prawns.
feel good.
And you could have done with a bit more pork.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, a Jamaican dish, so
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, it was good. Worth it. My belly full. Can't
Belly-
complain.
Can't complain.
Yeah.
Dessert time now.
Yeah. So this is where we're at, guys. Let me try focus this camera because it's not giving me justice at the moment. Oh yeah. If I can point, it's somewhere there. RSM. Yeah. All right. So that's where we just eat at. Come.
Dada.
Yeah, yeah.
Ready.
Hey, get in the car, mister. Oh, there we go.
Hang on, we'll take a photo quickly.
Mister, wait.
Island, come. We'll take a photo now. Come up here.
Oh, I think of food up on my mouth here, man.
Come. Ready? Oh. Daddy, hold him on that hand. Ready?
Come here. Yeah, pitch the time.
Hang on.
Well on.
Hang on. Hold on.
Yeah, Vina boy. Smile.
Smile and get the bottle out.
It's funny. Let's. So. Yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. And I hope
Let's go, guys, home. It's freezing cold.
Yeah, hope y'all enjoy.
Yeah.
Go home and relax.
Relax.
So,
Come on, Island.
little more.
Little more.
You know.
Little more. Let's go.
Scare me now focus for some reason. Anyway. No, I'm trying to focus it, but it's just giving me trouble with the autofocus.
Happy? Belly full? You like going out eating?
Yeah.
Why?
A fool.
You fool.
You like to go out? You met your little girlfriend there, cheeky boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he met his little girlfriend there, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, have fun girlfriend.
Ah,
Have fun with
really?
girlfriend, he just said.
Oh, yes,
What do
to
you
me.
mean, girlfriend? You want me cheeky bum bums? No. No girlfriend.
Okay.